especially the older we get, I feel like I have this much space in my brain for those types of decisions. So if I'm gonna have decision fatigue, I can't have it in both my wardrobe and my makeup. Hi everyone, I'm Jodi. Welcome to my channel. I'm really glad that you're here today because we're gonna talk all about time-saving tips to help you, the busy and ambitious woman that you are, get ready in the morning or in the evening, wherever you are short on time, but you still wanna look good. There should be a way, and if anybody can do it, it's us women over 40, that you can pull it all together, look good as you're running out the door, and all the stuff at the house still needs to be done, and you've done all that. But what's important is when you walk out in the morning or in the evening, whatever time of day you walk out, you are confident in the way you feel and in the way you look. And today I'm gonna help you in the look category. So let's just get this video started, because if it's about time-saving tips, the video shouldn't take a lot of time, right? I love the idea for this video because we are always looking for ways to just make things faster, but yet more efficient without cutting corners so that it looks like we've cut some corners. So these tips I think are really gonna help you in getting out the door faster. And the first one starts the night before. Gathering your clothes the night before is something many of us learned way back when in school probably, to help save time in the morning so that you're prepared and you're not frantically grabbing something, running out the door, looking down and thinking, what was I thinking this morning because these don't match, or they do match and you didn't want them to match, whatever the case is for you. Gathering your clothes the night before and the makeup that you want to wear will help save you time in the morning, obviously, but it's an easy habit to get out of. So once you've identified what colors you want to wear from a clothes perspective, just take an extra minute or two and identify what eyeshadow colors or blush colors or lipstick colors that you want to wear to help coordinate or at least complement the shirt or outfit that you're wearing. That's an easy, quick step to do that saves you time in the morning, because then you're just grabbing what you've already set out in your makeup routine, putting it on, and out the door you go. And trust me, you'll feel a lot more confident running out the door knowing that there's some coordination between your makeup and whatever shirt you have decided to wear. Speaking of shirts, this is one that I picked up on Amazon, and the pictures on Instagram show the sleeves rolled. It's the same shirt. I actually link you guys to the seller of anything that I put on Amazon so that I can at least feel confident that I received something of quality from the seller, so I'm hoping you have that same experience. But this comes in a lot of different colors. It's an easy, quick t-shirt to throw on, and if you love hearts, it's a no-brainer. Anyway, this is not a fashion video. This is a video on saving time. So I need to focus and stay on time. The second one is to prioritize your skincare. When applying your makeup on exfoliated and hydrated skin, the overall look of that makeup application is way better than if you are applying makeup on skin that has dry patches, that's uneven textures, or that has not been prepped or hydrated. You have to then spend time working that product into your skin, and you never quite get the look that you're really after. So prioritizing your makeup routine in the morning and the evening will help ensure that you've got a smooth, hydrated canvas to start with, so that you're just putting on the makeup and not spending any extra time correcting the look as you're going through your makeup routine. The third tip to help you save time in getting ready in the morning is to invest in multitasking products. A couple of my favorite ideas is invest in a BB cream or a CC cream instead of a foundation. A BB cream contains your sunscreen, your moisturizer, and your foundation. A CC cream contains your color corrector, your sunscreen, your moisturizer, and your foundation. So depending on if you have color correcting to do, maybe you just have a little bit around your eyes, we definitely need sunscreen. And as we age, you may need more hydration into your skin. And then of course, if you're putting on a CC cream or a BB cream, you're looking for a nice coverage. One of my favorite CC creams is by e.l.f. This is the Camo CC cream. I just did a full video on e.l.f. products, a full face of e.l.f. And that is not a sponsored video, you guys. I paid for all those e.l.f. products. I use them myself. And this is one that I reach for a lot. It's not quite as thick as other CC creams, even though it is a CC cream, so it has that color corrector. I have it on today. It's a quick multitasking product. After applying your serum in the morning, you can go straight to this and it skips 3 steps. It's an SPF of 30 plus your moisturizer, and then like I said, your foundation. A BB cream or CC cream really does save you time in the morning and gives you the coverage and that needed skincare that you don't want to skip out on no matter what. Another good multitasking product to invest in is a cream blush. Now, there are several on the market. We know NARS has that multi-stick that's been around for a long time. Any cream blush or cream lipstick can do the same thing. So when you find a formula that you like, this is the Pat McGrath new cream blush. When you find a formula that you like, whether it's cream cheeks or lipstick, just buy a few of them in different colors and you've essentially got a variety of looks because you can use it for your lips and your cheeks, lips and cheeks. It's been that kind of a day. You can use it for both. And when it's a formula that you like, you just change out the colors. You've saved a lot of time and you've saved a lot of money. This one's in Peach Lotus and I love it. It is on my cheeks. It's not on my lips today. What I have on my lips, you guys, is it's $10. It's the Vinyl Stay lipstick by Maybelline. And this one is in Witty, I think. Yeah, Witty. I love these things. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon right now. I put this on at 7:30 this morning. I've had coffee, I've had lunch, I've had an ice cream cone, and I just had a few bites of pizza, and I've been drinking water all day. I have not reapplied this, not one time. These are $10 and not sponsored either. I just thought since I was gonna go prep for this makeup look and I don't even need to redo my lipstick, I thought I've got to mention this. I've talked about these before. I've done a Friday face-off on these. I just think for $10, you just have to be careful where you buy them and make sure that the seal is still sealed. I did a reel on Instagram when I went to Ulta one time and almost every single one of these, the seal had already been broken. So if you're not following me on Instagram, there's other content over there that I don't always put on YouTube. So be sure to check that out as well. But I was surprised at how many of those were open, but it was only that one Ulta. So it's not like it happens everywhere. These are often at drugstores. You can get a lot of colors on Amazon. Target sells them. Walmart has a nice color selection. I'll link some down below. But when fall is coming, these are great for fall. Another multi-purpose product that I like are these Hourglass Ambient Flushes. I think they're called Ambient Flush. This one's Luminous Flush because it has the blush and the highlighter in it. So you get that really pretty, in fact, let me just put it on so you guys can see, because I have that cream blush on by Pat McGrath that I just showed you. You get a nice blush look, but also your highlighter without looking like you have a lot of highlighter on. I mean, that is just so pretty. One step, boom, you're done. So I love these for that multi-step process. And another good product for multi-purpose steps is a cream eyeshadow. And the reason I like, this one is by Hourglass, this is Voyeur. And I like them in a lighter color like this because you can use them as a highlighter, but they're creamy enough that you can use it and then you can really quickly put it on and then blend it with your fingers. So if you are trying to get over what I like to call decision fatigue, where you're trying to decide what outfit you're gonna wear, and then you're trying to decide what makeup to wear. It's just a lot of decisions. Especially the older we get, I feel like I have this much space in my brain for those types of decisions. So if I'm gonna have decision fatigue, I can't have it in both my wardrobe and my makeup. I like to just simplify my makeup. Pins like this help me do that because you can also use it as a highlighter. You can use it just in the inner corner of your eye. So I don't have to have a long list of stuff when I go to Ulta or to Target or to Sephora or wherever you buy your cosmetics. And I don't want to have to look at my makeup drawer and just be overwhelmed with the decisions that I have to make, whether it's early in the morning or getting ready at the end of a long day to go out somewhere. I just need simple tasks. I need simple, maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm the only one that just needs to simplify stuff, but I just would rather spend my time doing anything else rather than looking at a drawer full of products that I have to decide. It's too many decisions. The older I get, I want less decisions. Time-saving tip number 4 is to minimize the number of makeup brushes that you are going to use. Now, I love my Angie Hot and Flashy A504. That is this one right here. I will never be without it, but this is probably one of the only eyeshadow brushes that I really need. And this one is small enough that you can put really precise placement, but it's also fluffy enough that it's a great blending brush. So if you have cream makeup, you can put it on with your fingers, a little bit of powder if you need to, put it on with this, blend it with this, and you're good to go. Same concept can apply with your face brushes. I just like to use a Kabuka brush for my foundation, and then you need one other brush for your powder bronzer, your powder blush, your powder highlight, powder contour, any other powders that you need. And I use the Angie Hot and Flashy A507 for that. It is a nice angled brush, perfect for the contours of your face, right up through the forehead for any contour or bronzer. I just like this one because I can go light-handed with it and put a little product just on the side if I want a little bit of highlight, or I can go full on with that whole face of it if I want to do some nice bronzer or some contour. So just think about how many brushes you're using in the morning, and if you were to minimize that to just 1 or 2, A, you would save a lot of time, and B, a lot of money. And number 5 on our list of how to save time in getting ready is to minimize your look. Think about your features and how to just bring them forward. So a swipe of mascara, a touch of blush, and a flattering lipstick can go a long way without applying anything else to your makeup. If you're looking for a good mascara, look for one, again, that's multitasking. If you need to lengthen and volumize, there's some great mascaras on the market. The Lash and Roll by e.l.f., one of my favorites. And as of late, I have discovered the Thrive Cosmetics. Yes, I have jumped on that train, and they can't kick me off. I love that mascara. It's so good, you guys. It's what I have on today, and I don't need to apply a third coat of waterproof. And if you know me, that is a big deal. So applying a mascara that does all 3 things, if that's what you need, also helps save you time. Then just adding a touch of blush and a little bit of lipstick, and those can even be the same product, you have saved yourself a whole lot of time. Now, if you're not happy with the way your skin looks, then that takes us back to step number 2, and that is to prioritize your skincare so that your skin looks the way you want it to, and you don't have to add a foundation to it. Well, that does it for me. I hope this was helpful, and I hope we did it in an amount of time that saves you time as you get ready for your special event or just your normal average everyday. I certainly enjoyed spending this time with you. I can't wait to see you guys in just a couple days. Have a good rest of your day, and as always, thanks so much for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.